Hi, this is Yuki with WTI, and I'm here to talk about an amazing company, Coffee Gator. I have a few of their products, and this has been one of my favorite products. It's the pour over coffee maker. I absolutely love it. I've been looking for a pour over coffee maker for a while, and Coffee Gator did not disappoint whatsoever. So this is a 27-ounce paperless filter. So it comes with a stainless steel mesh filter. What I really like about this stainless steel mesh filter, that the coffee ground does not fall into my coffee. I dislike it so much when that happens, but this did not disappoint whatsoever. It stays where it needs to stay in this filter. So I am one happy customer. And I will show you a brief video of me using this, so just give me a moment. So if you are looking for a pour over coffee maker, then I'm telling you, you need to check out the Coffee Gator one. But that's my point of view.